Here is how you can find passwords on your Android phone. So what we need to do is to open up the Google Chrome web browser. So make sure you open it up like this, and you need to get to your account. So as you can see at the top, you get to manage your account, which you are signed in. That's kind of important because your passwords are attached to that account. So make sure you are signed in with the proper one. But in here, you can see that we can go to the settings like so, or tap on the profile and get to the settings. But I want you to scroll through the available options, and a part of the passwords and autofill, we have the Google Password Manager. So this is what I want you to click on. And as I said, this is why it's important to be signed in with a proper account, because you'll be able to see your passwords and passkeys in here. Currently, this account doesn't have anything stored, so perhaps if I switch to something else, it might give me some additional passwords. So as you can see, that other account has some passwords stored, and I can browse them in here. I can find it, so it's pretty nice. I also have the checkup as well as the settings page, so you can make some changes to it if you would want it to. But that's essentially how you can find it. So if you found this video helpful, definitely subscribe to more Foxtecc videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future uploads as well. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.